Did you know that a single cannabis seed can produce up to 500 grams of dried cannabis flowers? Yes, these tiny powerhouses are the genesis of the lush green cannabis plants that we all admire. Each seed carries within it the genetic code that determines the characteristics of its offspring, from its growth pattern and resilience to environmental stressors, right down to the very effects it induces when consumed. Cannabis seeds are the unsung heroes of the cultivation process. They are the starting point, the very essence of each strain's identity. It's from these humble beginnings that we get the vast spectrum of cannabis strains we see today, each with its unique blend of tastes, aromas, and effects. And let's not forget about yield. A single seed, when nurtured with care, can lead to a bountiful harvest. A testament to the miracle of life, these tiny seeds can transform into plants that tower over 6 feet tall, flourishing with resinous buds ready for harvest. That's right, the journey from a tiny seed to a flourishing cannabis plant is truly remarkable. Cannabis seeds are not a one-size-fits-all affair. They come in all shapes and sizes, each with their unique characteristics. Let's take a journey through the diverse world of cannabis seeds, beginning with landrace seeds. These are original, naturally occurring strains that have evolved over centuries in specific geographical locations. Their genetic makeup is pure, untouched by human intervention, offering a unique experience that reflects the environment they're native to. Next, we have heirloom seeds. These are essentially landrace seeds that have been taken from their original location and cultivated elsewhere. They retain the genetic purity of landrace strains, but carry the influence of their new environments. Then we have the 3 main types of cannabis: indica, sativa, and ruderalis. Indica seeds typically produce plants with dense, heavy buds and a relaxing, body-focused effect. Sativa seeds, on the other hand, lead to plants with airy buds and a cerebral, energizing effect. Lastly, there's ruderalis, a less common type. Plants grown from ruderalis seeds are small and hardy, with the unique ability to flower based on age, not light cycle. This trait has made ruderalis invaluable in creating auto-flowering hybrid strains. But we can't forget about hybrid seeds, the result of crossbreeding different types of cannabis. Hybrids can combine the best traits of indica, sativa, and ruderalis, allowing for a wide range of effects, growth patterns, and flowering traits. True F1 hybrid seeds deserve a special mention. They are the result of crossbreeding 2 stable, purebred parent strains. The first generation of these crosses, dubbed F1, exhibit a phenomenon known as hybrid vigor, displaying enhanced growth and potency. The diversity doesn't end there, though. There are also specialized seeds like photoperiod, auto-flowering, regular, feminized, fast-flowering, and CBD seeds, each catering to different growing preferences and needs. So whether you're searching for a classic landrace strain, a vigorous F1 hybrid, or a CBD-rich variant, the world of cannabis seeds has you covered. As you can see, there's a cannabis seed to suit every taste and preference. Not all cannabis seeds are purebreds. Some are the result of careful crossbreeding known as hybrids. Now, this is where the artistry of cannabis cultivation really comes into play. Imagine a painter mixing colors to create a new and unique shade. This is essentially what happens when breeders create hybrid cannabis seeds. They take the best traits from different cannabis strains and combine them to create a new strain with its own distinct characteristics. Hybrid seeds are game changers in the world of cannabis cultivation. They allow growers to enjoy the benefits of different varieties in one plant. For instance, a hybrid could offer the robust growth of an indica strain, coupled with the cerebral high of a sativa. The possibilities are endless and incredibly exciting. There are several types of hybrid seeds, each with its own unique features. One particularly interesting type is the true F1 hybrid. Now, the term F1 stands for first filial generation. In other words, these are the direct offspring of 2 distinctly different parent plants. F1 hybrid seeds are highly sought after because they tend to be more vigorous and yield more than their parent strains. This phenomenon, known as hybrid vigor, is a significant advantage in cannabis cultivation. But it doesn't stop there. Breeders can take this process a step further, creating F2, F3, and so on, each generation presenting new and unique combinations of traits. It's a continuous process of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in cannabis cultivation. So why does all this matter to you? Well, hybrid seeds give you access to a wider range of experiences. Whether you're looking for a specific flavor, effect, or growth pattern, there's likely a hybrid strain out there that's been bred to deliver exactly that. It's all about exploring and finding what suits you best. Hybrid seeds represent the innovation and creativity of cannabis cultivation. They're proof that with a bit of ingenuity and a lot of patience, we can craft our own unique experiences with this remarkable plant. In the cannabis world, there are seeds that have been specifically designed to meet certain needs. Let's dive into the world of specialized cannabis seeds. These aren't your average seeds. They've been painstakingly developed and nurtured for specific purposes. Each type carries unique characteristics catering to different growing preferences and needs. First up, we have photoperiod seeds. These seeds rely on changes in light exposure to transition from the vegetative to flowering stage. They're perfect for growers who want control over the growing process, allowing them to decide when the plants should start producing buds. Then, there are autoflowering seeds. These seeds are real game changers. They don't rely on light cycles to flower. Instead, they automatically start flowering after a certain period, regardless of the lighting conditions. This makes them a great choice for novice growers or those who want a quick harvest. Next, let's talk about regular seeds. These are cannabis in its most natural form. They produce both male and female plants, giving growers the chance to experiment with crossbreeding and creating their own strains. On the other hand, we have feminized seeds. These seeds are designed to only produce female plants, which are the ones that produce the coveted buds. They're a boon for those who want a guaranteed harvest without the worry of identifying and removing male plants. Fast-flowering seeds are also a popular choice. As their name suggests, these seeds are bred to flower quickly, reducing the time between planting and harvesting. They're the go-to for growers who want a quick turnaround. Last but not least, we have CBD seeds. These seeds are bred to produce plants with high levels of CBD and low levels of THC. They're ideal for those who are interested in the potential therapeutic benefits of cannabis without the psychoactive effects. These specialized seeds make it easier for growers to achieve their desired outcomes. Whether you're a seasoned grower or a cannabis enthusiast just starting out, these seeds offer a world of possibilities. So why not explore this diverse world of specialized cannabis seeds and discover what they can bring to your cannabis growing journey? With so many types of cannabis seeds, how do you choose the right one for you? This question might be buzzing in your mind, and don't worry, you're not alone. The first factor to consider is your growing conditions. Are you planning to grow indoors or outdoors? If you're growing indoors, you have a bit more control over your environment and can opt for seeds that require specific conditions. However, for outdoor cultivation, you might want to choose seeds that are more resilient and can handle varying weather patterns. For instance, indica seeds often thrive in cooler climates, while sativa seeds prefer a warmer, tropical climate. Next, consider the desired effects you're aiming for. Each strain of cannabis has its unique set of effects. While indica strains are typically associated with a relaxed, sedate effect, sativa strains tend to provide a more energetic and uplifting experience. If you're looking for a balanced effect, a hybrid strain could be your best bet. Your personal preference plays a significant role as well. Do you have a favorite flavor or aroma? Are you interested in a particular growth pattern or flowering time? These are all aspects to consider when choosing your seed. Of course, not all seeds are created equal. It's crucial to buy your seeds from a reputable source. Look for companies that offer detailed information about their seeds, including strain type, growth characteristics, and expected yield. A good seed bank will also offer customer support to help you make the right choice and ensure a successful cultivation journey. It's also worth mentioning that some growers prefer feminized seeds, which are bred to produce only female plants. This can save you the trouble of identifying and removing male plants, which don't produce the coveted cannabis flowers. Finally, remember that growing cannabis is part science, part art. It's about finding the right combination of factors that work for you and your unique circumstances. So, don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your experiences. Remember, the success of your cannabis cultivation journey begins with the right seed. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned about cannabis seeds. We dove into the marvelous world of these tiny powerhouses, discovering the incredible diversity they offer. From landrace to heirloom, from indica to sativa, and let's not forget ruderalis, each seed type carries unique characteristics and benefits. Then there was the hybrid revolution, a game-changing moment that introduced us to a whole new range of possibilities. Hybrids, true F1 hybrids, each bringing together the best traits of their parent strains, creating a world of choice for growers everywhere. We also explored specialized seeds like photoperiod, auto-flowering, regular, feminized, fast-flowering, and CBD seeds. Each subtype has a specific role to play, tailored to fit different growing preferences and needs. Finally, we shared some tips on choosing the right seed for your cultivation endeavor. Remember, it's all about understanding your needs, your environment, and the unique attributes of each seed type. With a deeper understanding of cannabis seeds, you're now better equipped to embark on your cannabis cultivation journey. Until next time, happy growing.